And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, so it is a good evening. Just having some yummy pizza bagels. And then if you guys haven't checked out the video, I just got a new coffee. I'm learning right recently. This is the first day I've been really using it, but I've been using it for a full day. I'm loving it so far because I always wanted coffee, but now I don't want to go constantly waste so much more money when you're spending to have someone make you coffee. When you could do this at home, this can last me at least longer to having to spend money going out to grab a coffee, because I don't have I want to save up pretty much. I want to have save up. I want to minimize a lot of my buying stuff that it's a habit, and coffee it is. Like, I've been stretching it out here and there all the time, but I want to now just have one at home and always make it whenever I need it, and not having to get out of my house and driving in cold weathers to go to a drive-through Starbucks and all that. I'm like, I'm done. Alright, so I need to get like a cup for this creamer, or for the steamer. So I don't have one. I'm gonna just use this just so, because it's smaller and then it doesn't go messy around my little kitchen. I'm gonna use this so I can show you guys how it looks, because I do have this one, but I'm only making decaf for my son. He wants to try it, and so I'm gonna split it up though, but yeah. This is just a container I kept for my old one, and I just use it so I could just catch the coffee. I gotta go shopping. Like, this is my first day, you guys. No judgmental here, but I think you could just put it like that. I'll stop like that. There goes my coffee scooper. So this one's like the presser, and then this is the scoop. I could just use this and scoop it up. The thing is, I already did this.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, be careful, Canyon.
Okay.
And then this is the one that's been pre-washed. It's smaller. They hit the 2 shot and 1 shot of a tablespoon, is what I'm told. So I'm gonna use this one, 1 shot, and put some grabs of coffee. Oh, so what I'm doing is I need to turn this on. I don't know. I am trying my best to like kind of speak the whole process, but I gotta turn it on. The water is filled, so I need to turn on the switch. I'll show you. I forgot I have this nice camera so I can see. Click on, and it's gonna say ready. Then that gives me the ability to go here. If I wanted to steam, it would be over here. There you go. And then I wait for the green light, and then here's the steamer I have here of the switch. It has a picture of to control it. This goes up and down. That's all it goes. So I think this can just go in and not make too much of a mess. And this goes here, and it's a cute little size. I was like, oh, good thing I kept it. It's like, it's still usable. It's made out of glass, so why not? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up, then put it in here, and then twist it in here. I'll show you guys.
One.
Still learning, not that I think it's because I sat it there too much. Still learning, like I said.
Look at way out here.
What? I just switched it so they can start warming that up because it only warms up for one side reason. When you switch it, you have to let it warm up for that. So while I'm doing that, I'm just going to clean up. This is how you can just keep it fresh, clean, no residue or anything being built up. So I'm going to just grab hazelnut creamer there for this because it still works. But like I said, this is what I got. I'm gonna maybe make it that much to see how it goes. Will it reach? Shoot. The problem is it's just, damn, it won't reach. Like I said, I need like a little cup or something. Grab this one for now. I like the way it's shaped too. I'm gonna just rinse this right now. Here we go. It's ready. So I go here. I have the switch here to control how big the steam you want, and then it's just gonna make this noise a little bit. Look at that. And now we go pour it here. Oh. Damn, it's like I made a latte over here. It's still looking delicious. Latte it is. But here we are, cappuccino. Made it for the boys.